Start with, most people don't know this, but. And immediately state the surprising fact. Style, conversational, short sentences max 20 words, rhetorical questions. Length, 1200 to 1400 words, only the spoken words. Only spoken words, no stage directions, no descriptions. Must be a script, presumably as a monologue. Use rhetorical questions. Short sentences, max 20 words each. Conversational tone. Must be a single piece of text. We need to produce a script of around 1200 to 1400 words. That's a lot. At average 10 words per sentence, that's 120-140 sentences. Must keep each sentence less than or equal to 20 words. We need to ensure each sentence is short. Also rhetorical questions. The script must start with most people don't know this, but. And then surprising fact. So something like, most people don't know this, but debt collectors cannot call you at work if you tell them not to. That is a surprising fact. We need to keep within 1200 to 1400 words. Let's target 1300 words. We need to ensure each sentence less than or equal to 20 words. Let's count approximate words per sentence. For 1,300 words, if each sentence averaged 13 words, that's 100 sentences. We need rhetorical questions throughout. We must maintain conversational style, short sentences. Use rhetorical questions like, did you know that? Can they really do that? What if they ignore you, etc. We must produce only the spoken words. No extra commentary. Should be a script. We need to watch the word count. Let's plan a script with many short sentences. Let's count approximate words. We need 1200 to 1400 words. Let's aim for 1300 words. We'll need to produce maybe around 100 to 120 sentences, each 10 to 13 words average. But each sentence max 20 words. That's okay. We need rhetorical questions. Let's embed rhetorical questions perhaps at start of paragraphs. We also need to include the required opening, most people don't know this, but. And immediate surprising fact. Make sure each sentence ends with a period, or question mark. Provide only spoken words. No bullet points, no numbers? Could include numbers but keep short. We need to watch word count. Let's produce maybe 130 sentences average 10 words equals 1,300 words. But must ensure each sentence less than or equal to 20 words. Better approach, write a long script with many short sentences. Keep count. We need to ensure each sentence not exceed 20 words. Let's count each sentence's words. We must be mindful. Let's write and count. We'll produce something like, Sentence 1, most people don't know this, but debt collectors cannot call you at work after you tell them. Count words, most, 1, people 2 don t3 know for this 5 but 6 debt 7 collectors 8 cannot 9 call 10 you 11 at 12 work 13 after 14 you 15 tell 16 them 17. That's 17 words. Good. But most people don't know this, but counts as part of sentence. We need most people don't know this, but then surprising fact. That sentence is okay. Next, did you know that? Count, did 1 you 2 know 3 that 4? 4 words. But rhetorical question, okay. But we need many sentences. Let's do an outline of topics, rights under FDCPA, what to say, how to stop calls, request written validation, they cannot contact employer, they cannot discuss debt with coworkers, you can send cease and desist letter, they must stop calling at work, you can record calls, state law, you can sue for violations, keep logs, contact attorney, etc. But we must keep each sentence short. We must watch total words. We'll produce something like 130 sentences each 10 words equals 1,300 words. Let's attempt. We'll count words manually? Might be time-consuming but we can approximate. However, we need to ensure within 1,200 to 1,400 words. Probably safe if we produce 1,300 words. But must count. Let's try to write a script with maybe 120 sentences, average 11 words equals 1320 words. Must ensure each sentence less than or equal to 20 words. We need to keep rhetorical questions interspersed. Use question mark at ends for rhetorical. We must keep track of words per sentence. We'll write sentences line by line, each sentence separate line for readability. But the output should just be spoken words, not bullet points. It can be separated by spaces. It's okay. But we must ensure each sentence's word count less than or equal to 20. Let's systematically write sentences and count. We'll produce something like, 1. Most people don't know this, but debt collectors cannot call you at work after you tell them. Count, most, 1, people 2 don T3 know for this 5 but 6 debt 7 collectors 8 cannot 9 call 10 you 11 at 12 work 13 after 14 you 15 tell 16 them 17. 17 words. 2, did you know that? 4, 3. The law is called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Count words. The 1 Law 2 is 3 called for the 5 Fair 6 Debt 7 Collection 8 Practices 9 Act 10. 10 words. 4. It protects you from harassment. Count. It 1 protects 2 you 3 from 4 harassment 5. 5 words. 5. Can they ignore your request? Count. Can 1 they 2 ignore 3 or 4 request 5? 5 words. 6. No, they must stop calling your workplace. Count. No, 1 they 2 must 3 stop 4 calling 5 your 6 workplace 7. 7 words. 7. You simply tell them, stop calling me at work. Count. You 1 simply 2 tell 3 them, for stop 5 calling 6 me 7 at 8 work. 9, including quotes as words? We'll count words ignoring punctuation. That's 9 words. 8. Is that all you have to do? Count. Is 1 that 2 all 3 you 4 have 5 to 6 do 7? 7 words. 9. Not quite, you should also send a written cease and desist letter. Count. Not 1 quite 2 you 3 should 4 also 5 send 6 a 7 written 8 cease and desist 9 letter 10. 10 words. 10. That letter creates a legal record. Count. That 1 letter 2 creates 3 a 4 legal 5 record 6. 6 words. 11. Have you ever written 1? Count. Have 1 you 2 ever 3 written 4 1 5? 5 words. 12. It's easier than you think. Count. It s 1 easier 2 than 3 you 4 think 5. 5 words. 13. Just state your name, address, and request no workplace calls. Count. Just 1 state 2 your 3 name for address 5 and 6 request 7 no 8 workplace 9 calls 10. 10 words. 14. Mail it certified with return receipt. Count. Mail 1 at 2 certified 3 with 4 return 5 receipt 6. 6 words. 15. Why does that matter? Count. Why 1 does 2 that 3 matter 4? 4 words. 16. Proof they received it stops future calls. Count. Proof 1 they 2 received 3 at 4 stops 5 future 6 calls 7. 7 words. 17. Can they still call your home? Count. Can 1 they 2 still 3 call for your 5 home 6? 6 words. 18. Yes, unless you also tell them to stop there. Count. Yes 1 unless 2 you 3 also 4 tell 5 them 6 to 7 stop 8 there 9. 9 words. 19. The same letter works for any location. Count. The 1 same 2 letter 3 works for 5 any 6 location 7. 7 words. 20. Did you catch that? Count. Did 1 you 2 catch 3 that 4? 4 words. 21. Collectors cannot discuss your debt with coworkers. Count. Collectors 1 cannot 2 discuss 3 or 4 debt 5 with 6 coworkers 7. 7 words. 22. That would be a violation. Count. That 1 would 2 be 3A4 violation 5. 5 words. 23. Are you surprised? Count. Are 1 you 2 surprised 3? 3 words. 24. Many people think they can share details. Count. Many 1 people 2 think 3 they 4 can 5 share 6 details 7. 7 words. 25. The law forbids any third-party disclosure. Count. The 1 law 2 forbids 3 any 4 third-party 5 disclosure 6. 6 words. 26. What if they call anyway? Count. What 1 if 2 they 3 call 4 anyway 5. 5 words. 27. You can record the call in most states. Count, U1 can 2 record 3 the 4 call 5 in 6 most 7 states 8. 8 words. 28. Check your state law first. Count, check 1 your 2 state 3 law 4 first 5. 5 words. 29. Recording gives you evidence. Count, recording 1 gives 2 you 3 evidence 4. 4 words. 30. Have you ever recorded a call? Count, have 1 you 2 ever 3 recorded 4 a 5 call 6. 6 words. 31. If they violate, you can sue for damages. Count, if 1 they 2 violate 3 you 4 can 5 sue 6 for 7 damages 8. 8 words. 32. Statutory damages can be up to $1,000. Count, statutory 1 damages 2 can 3 be 4 up 5 to $6,10007. 7 words. 33. Plus attorney fees and court costs. Count, plus 1 attorney 2 fees 3 and 4 court 5 costs 6. 6 words. 34. That adds up quickly. Count, that 1 adds 2 up 3 quickly 4. 4 words. 35. Do you keep a call log? Count, do 1 you 2 keep 3 a 4 call 5 log 6? 6 words. 36. Write date, time and what was said. Count, write 1 date 2 time 3 and 4 what 5 was 6 said 7. 7 words. 37. This log strengthens any legal claim. Count, this 1 log 2 strengthens 3 any 4 legal 5 claim 6. 6 words. 38. Ever thought about hiring a consumer attorney? Count, ever 1 thought 2 about 3 hiring 4 a 5 consumer 6 attorney 7? 7 words. 39. Many offer free consultations. Count, many 1 offer 2 free 3 consultations 4. 4 words. 40. They know the FDCPA inside out. Count, they 1 know 2 the 3 FDCPA 4 inside 5 out 6. 6 words. 41. Can you afford to ignore the calls? Subscribe to Rights Unlocked for more legal insights that protect your rights every day.